On today's body cam, we're checking out entitled brat steals friend's new Audi, gets exposed by police.
Get on the floor! Get on the floor! Get on the floor! Back up! Bitch, I took my keys. I said, "Ass stupid ass." Her name Deja. You ass bitch. I lost press. You have to do something now. What's going on? This guy got my car right now.
Nah, he violated. He said you fat. Nah, he violated. He violated. I ain't gonna lie. Look at the caption at the bottom, man. He violated.
I lost press. You have to be recording right now. What's going on?
This guy got my car right now. He stole it. He right now.
I need your information in your car.
Yes, my license plate is M99 VPC.
And this is your car?
This is my personal car. I have to tell you everything.
Give me 1 second.
After taking the owner's vehicle info, the officer spots the car a few moments later while patrolling the area.
Yep, he's here. Time 1. Rosa and Godwin. Turn off the car!
What is this, New Jersey?
Turn off the car!
All right, can you please?
Get out the car!
All right.
Drop to the floor! Drop to the floor! Drop to the floor!
Okay.
Get on the floor! Get on the floor!
Please.
Wow.
Get on the floor! 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 Get on the floor!
Okay.
Get on the floor!
Please. Cuff me. Okay, please help me.
I'm at the Pino Bragg house. One in custody.
That is so dangerous. You're playing a dangerous game. You got the cop, gun is drawn on you, and you're gonna shut the door with all them tents like that. You're asking to go to the afterlife, boy. You, instead of complying, yeah.
Please help me.
Why the fuck were you trying to drive away? Until you get the fuck on the floor. Stop fucking moving.
Why you taking my car?
Back up.
Bitch, I took my keys. I said, "Ass stupid ass." Her name Deja. You ass bitch. Get my car. Dumbass bitch. I know who you is. I know who that bitch is, yo. That ugly ass.
Calm down.
That's Deja. That ugly bitch. She a goofy. She ain't never get no money. You know, help you, bitch. Goofy ass bitch.
Watch yourself. You got anything on you?
This dumbass bitch wants to steal my car. You ugly ass bitch.
Yo, stop. You might get yourself locked up. Stop.
All right, I didn't. But make sure you have keys.
Watch this.
Oh, they got the drone out.
You got her? Yeah, I got her. Just I'll search her real quick and then we're gonna put her in the back. Yeah, Sarge, she's right here. She's right here, Sarge. No, she's on the rest. First one.
No, what did he say?
No, you're here.
My phone. Can you get my phone? Can you get my phone?
Stay right there.
My phone is in the car. Can you please give me
You gotta
my
wait,
phone?
wait.
No.
All right, what you left in the car?
My phone. It has a purple case.
Purple case, just your phone, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think.
Okay,
And I
I'm gonna check.
had my vape in there.
All right, I'm gonna check. Go ahead.
That is my charger.
That's your key.
What you talking about? I'm taking your dumb ass charger, bitch. What you talking about? It's my shit now. Watch this.
Calm down.
Calm down before you get locked up.
I don't get locked up for it.
Because you're acting up too much.
That night girl driving the car.
What
She on drugs?
She on drugs. She a crackhead. You gotta drop that $50. I was looking for it. She wants to trap me.
Ooh, with the peanut butter guts. Ooh. See, listen, if you can't get that red interior, the peanut butter guts is the next best thing, man.
What's up, Betsy? Sorry. Don't get in the car. Yeah, we gotta check this shit.
Do you want to count it for
Anybody else out there? Yeah, everybody accounted for. We got the vehicle. We got one in custody. I just need Liz here for a female search.
So we're gonna go this again. Did you report the keys missing or not?
No, I did
so
not.
hold on.
I was gonna buy it.
Give me 1 second. 1 second. Do you know who this person is?
I went to high school with her.
So do you know this person? Is she a friend, an acquaintance?
No, I'm not. I don't know her at all.
You don't know her?
I went to high school. I said I know her from high school, but I don't know her personally. She had a friend or nothing. No type of relation. She saw me yesterday at the $50. She either went in my car.
I'll give you 1 second. Hold on, bro. Give me 1 second. So I can get my notepad.
I was like, who got my key? Somebody got my. She went in my car and took it.
Hold on. So
stepped away.
you lost your keys when?
When I went to Family Dollar.
Which Family Dollar?
East 18.
Okay.
What I'm saying is,
hold on, just real quick. You gotta give me 1 second because you're overwhelming me with all this information. What time was this?
Sorry.
this was yesterday around, I would say, what time I call my friend? Stupid girl, bro. This was around 6 o'clock.
PM.
6:15 p.m.
15 p.m. So you lost your keys at that time?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now you lost your key.
Yes.
Where was your car parked?
My car was parked right by the entrance of the laundromat.
When did you lose your car?
My car, I got it towed to the garage, right at 6:15.
Because you lost your key, you towed it to the garage.
Basically, what I'm saying is, I know somebody went in my car and took my key.
So the car was parked at 221.
No, the car was parked at East 18th on Family Dollar.
Right now, what?
Yes, it was parked at 221. I got a tracker. I can see what time it was moved.
Did you find a phone there?
It was moved.
Yeah, it's on top of the thing.
Huh?
So what time was the car taken?
Yes. The car was taken. They really tried to start the car at 12:31.
Okay, that's fine. 12:31.
Yes.
And when did you notice?
For 2 hours, it was stopped there. It was the
When
car
did you notice? When did you notice the car was gone?
I noticed at 5 a.m. this morning.
5 a.m.
When I woke up, 5:30.
And you gave this person no permission, has no authority to
permission.
control the car.
I don't know this person at all.
Okay, your car keys, are they in the car or?
I just picked them up.
You got it. Okay, so you got your keys back.
Yeah, I got my key back.
Obstructing, she tried to drive away.
She hit somebody's car. She hit my car.
Not that you know. She hit no cars.
Not when he pulled up.
He had to, probably, like, in the night.
So she must have done a hit and run soon, but we just don't know which car it is.
I want to sue for that.
Because then the person might try to get him and say that it was him who did that.
Oh yeah, I want to
When he
sue.
got his car stolen.
So
So that damage.
that's gonna be
Make sure you
about
check
$400-500 right there. $500.
Damage, drivers. So until we figure out what's going on with that, I will just document in the report, and you're gonna have to just do a civil complaint against her for the damages of the vehicle. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah,
Which is a complete waste of time because she popped and panicking. So that's slang term for broke. So you're not gonna get that money. It's a waste of time, man. Just go through the insurance, and it's unfortunate, but that's gonna be a waste of time.
Coverage by any chance?
No. Let me make sure that's the only hit.
That's what I just said.
Yeah, so since this...
Yeah, she going to jail for a long time. Big felony. This is a felony, right? This is a felony?
She ain't going to jail for a long time. I say max 2 years, if you're lucky.
It's not robbery, no.
Huh?
So sorry. She's also probably an obstructing.
Okay.
Then I have to do a short force.
Okay.
All right. You got anything else for me? All right, sir. Do you want to check your car? Make sure there's nothing in the car that shouldn't be in there, real quick.
Everything's good. Just this right here.
No, just that
Inside.
Inside, that's not
Because I
yours.
don't want to see there's drugs or something like that. And God forbid you're driving down the street and then someone stops you. Just make sure you're good in the car.
You said what?
Again.
We want to make sure there's no drugs in the car that you like, oh, that's not mine, and you get pulled over some
No,
shit.
this not mine right here.
We don't know what would have been yours and would have been not yours.
You checked the car, right?
Yeah, I didn't see nothing.
You want to pump the trunk and you check the trunk?
Yo, but they might have a tracker on here because I wonder how she knew it was in my building. They might have a tracker on my car.
So you could check that out if you find something you can.
There's no way she knew that was in my building. Sorry, though. She's going to jail. I'm happy.
Okay.
And I'm pressing charges, everything. Full extent. I want full extent. We're in jail for a long time.
You could go to 41 Grant, not 41 Grant. 111 Broadway, pick up the report, and you could press charges on her for damages in your car as well, okay?
All right.
I'm going to give him a vine just because she's so hot.
You can even do a probable cause as well. Yeah, sorry, so yeah. I'm saying you could give him a vine, might as well give him. Hold on, he's gonna give you a second real quick.
Well, you should stop the car. You got information?
No.
Just,
Where you try pulling over at?
right here. Yeah, pulled over here. We stopped here, and then she stopped the car. So I stopped here, pulled my gun out. Got in the car. She started getting in the car, and she fully got out of the car. And then I guess she saw that I had the gun on her. She jumped back in the car. And I guess she put the car in drive to drive off. Yanked the out of the car.
You know my phone?
Yeah, so I have your phone. Yeah, I got her phone. All right, Deja, so I'm sending this right now. I'm gonna ask you a series of questions one more time.
Let's get him all the information. She's cool. Let's give her all the information you need.
All right, you can take your hands out of your pocket for me, please? Again, I'm gonna ask you this information. Take your hands out your pocket. Are you diagnosed with anything? Are you diagnosed with anything?
Yeah, she's slow. I ain't gonna lie. You know, sorry for my words, man, but yeah, she not. She not wrapped too tight, man. Yo, she not wrapped too tight, man. It's like, yo. Take your hands out your pockets. She got it in her sleeve. She takes her hand out of the hoodie pocket and puts it in her sweatpant pocket. It's like you could tell she off. She's off, man. I'm telling you right now, she's off. That's why he said you diagnosing anything. You mentally try to say you. He can't say it because you gotta be professional, you know what I'm saying? But he, in his mind, he like, yo, are you slow? Like, what's up with you? Like, if he wasn't in the uniform and talking to his friend, he'd be like, yo, she's slow. Like, but he has to say, do you suffer from any mental disorder? You know, are you diagnosed with anything? That's the professional way to say, are you slow? Like, what's up with you?
From any mental disorder, because you're not understanding.
I'm gonna actually start with your first name and your last name and your date of birth and your address. If you do not provide that, I'm gonna charge you with hindering, okay? It's just another charge. I'm trying to avoid this, okay? What is your first name?
Deja.
Spell it.
D-E-J-A.
Put your hand, please. No, I can buy the camera. Thank you.
The suspect was arrested for eluding an officer, vehicle theft, driving with a suspended license, resisting arrest, and obstructing justice.
Subscribe, let the 808 slide.